வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் V.Palanichamy. நம்ம டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சியில் கேட்கப்பட்ட ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர்ஸ் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் நம்ம பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். அதில் இப்போ இந்த எபிசோடில் நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா, டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி Group1 2019 கேட்கப்பட்ட எக்கானாமி கேள்விகள், பொருளாதார கேள்விகள். மொத்தம் இதில் எத்தனை கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இருக்குன்னா 23 கொஸ்டின்ஸ், 23 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ வில் கோ டைரக்ட்லி டு தி கொஸ்டின்ஸ். First question. Agricultural crop insurance was introduced by Government of India in A. 1986, B. 1984, C. 1985, D. 1989. The correct answer is C. 1985. Match the list 1 with list 2 and select correct answer giving the codes given below. List 1 event, list 2 year. Special Economic Zone Policy, New Foreign Trade Policy, Goods and Services Tax Act, Narasimhan Committee Report. The correct answer is A. So that is Special Economic Zone Policy, that is 2000. New Foreign Trade Policy, that is 2015. Goods and Service Tax, that is 2017. Narasimhan Committee Report to 1991. 2, 3, 4, 1, choice A. Third question. The father of Green Revolution in India was A. M. S. Swaminathan, B. Gandhi, C. Visvesvaraya, D. N. R. Viswanathan. The correct answer is A. M. S. Swaminathan. Fourth question. Which one of the following is a source of direct tax? A. Gift tax, B. Customs duty, C. Excise duty, D. Service tax. The correct answer is A. Gift tax. Fifth question. The sum of deficit under revenue account and deficit under capital account is A. Budgetary deficit, B. Primary deficit, C. Fiscal deficit, D. Revenue deficit. The correct answer is B. Primary deficit. Sixth question. The process of removal or relaxation of government restrictions in all stages in industry is known as A. Privatization, B. Liberalization, C. Globalization, D. Disinvestment. The correct answer is A. Privatization. Seventh question. With reference to the rural development in India, consider the following statements. 1. Poverty alleviation and welfare of the people. 2. The process of urbanization in rural areas. Which of the statements given above is or correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, D. neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is A. 1 only. Eighth question. Which of the following is or eligible for Kisan Credit Card? 1. All the farmers. 2. Sharecroppers. 3. Tenants. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 only, B. 1 and 2, C. 2 and 3, D. 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is D. 1, 2 and 3. Ninth question. Which of the following taxes have been subsumed under GST, Goods and Services Tax? A. Corporate tax, customs tax, service tax. B. Excise duty, entertainment tax, sales tax. C. Minimum alternate tax, sales tax, state VAT. D. Luxury tax, capital gain tax, cess and surcharges. The correct answer is B. Excise duty, entertainment tax, sales tax. 10th question. When was the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin was established? A. April 2016, B. April 2017, C. April 2018, D. April 2015. The correct answer is A. April 2016. 11th question. Consider the following statements. According to the first stage of demographic transition, 1. Death rates are high. 2. Low birth rate. 3. Absence of medical aid. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 and 3 only, B. 1 and 2 only, C. 2 and 3 only, D. 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is A. 1 and 3 only. 12th question. In which of the industrial policy revolution IPR the establishment of socialistic pattern of society was adopted? A. Industrial Policy Resolution 1948, B. Industrial Policy Resolution of 1956, C. Industrial Policy Resolution of 1985, D. Industrial Policy Resolution of 1991. The correct answer is B. Industrial Policy Resolution of 1956. 13th question. Inflation adversely affects A. Profit earners, B. Fixed income earners, C. Speculators, D. Investors. The correct answer is B. Fixed income earners. 13th question. The objectives of monetary policy are 1. Price stability, 2. Economic growth, 3. Social justice, 4. Reducing budgetary deficit. 1 only A, B 2 and 3 only, C 1, 2 and 3 only, D 4 only. The correct answer is C 1, 2 and 3 only. 15th question. With reference to Niti Aayog, which of the following statement are correct? 1. Transforming and development agenda of India. 2. Promoting growth and development. A. 1 only, B 2 only, C 1 and 2 only, D neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is A 1 only. 16th question. The Social Protection Index has been coined by A. Asian Development Bank, B. World Bank, C. UNDP, United Nations Development Program, D. Planning Commission of India. The correct answer is A. Asian Development Bank. 17th question. Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana PMGSY is primarily A. Rural Water Supply Program, B. Rural Employment Generation Program, C. Rural Roads Development Program, D. Rural Health Program. The correct answer is C. Rural Road Development Program. 18th question. A closed economy is one which 1. Does not trade with other countries, 2. Does not impose and restrictions on international trade, 3. Does not have a coastal line, 4. Is not a member of United Nations organizations. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A 1 only, B 1 and 2 only, C 1, 2 and 3 only, D all the above. The correct answer is A 1 only. 19th question. Which among the following are the major reasons for driving out sourcing? 1. Technological innovation, 2. Economic emergence of developing nations, 3. The knowledge-based economy, 4. Favorable balance of payment. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A 1 and 2, B 4 and 2, C 1, 2 and 3, D 1, 3 and 4. The correct answer is C 1, 2 and 3. 20th question. Which of the following factors influence digitalization in banking sector? 1. Changing consumer behavior, 2. Financial inclusion and the government initiation, 3. Increased smartphone usage. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A 1 and 2, B 2 and 3, C 1 and 3, D 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is D 1, 2 and 3. 21st question. Jal Krandi Abhiyan was not launched in the following cities. A. Raipur, B. Jaipur, C. Shimla, D. Jhansi. The correct answer is A. Raipur. 22nd question. Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyaya National Welfare Fund assisting to whom? A. Outstanding research scholars, B. Outstanding writers, C. Outstanding sports persons, D. Outstanding farmers. The correct answer is outstanding sports persons. 23rd question. Which scheme is a placement linked skill training program to empower rural poor youth? A. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin, B. Pradhan Mantri Yuva Udyami Vikas Abhiyan, C. Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Kaushaliya Yojana, D. Deen Dayal Yuva Vikas Abhiyan. The correct answer is C. Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Kaushaliya Yojana. So thank you very much. So we will see economics of some other years of the group 1 in the next video. Thank you very much.